how to send messages, photo and video on WhatsApp for iPhone. If you are new to WhatsApp or just need a refresher, we will show you how to send different types of content on WhatsApp step by step. Sending a message. To send a message on WhatsApp, open the chat with the person or group you want to message and type your message in the text field at the bottom of the screen. For example, hello, where are you now? Then, when you're ready to send, you can tap the send button. You can also sending a photo. To send a photo on WhatsApp, open the chat with the person or group you want to send the photo, tap the plus icon next to the text field and select Photo and Video Library. You can select the photo and you can choose the photo you want to send. For example, I choose the photo and then tap the send button to send it. So the chosen photo will be sent to your contact or to your group. Sending first. You can also send a video. To send a video on WhatsApp, open the chat with the person or group you want to send the video, tap the plus icon next to the text field, and then select Photo and Video Library. And then you can choose the video you want to send. After you choose the video, you can tap the send button. Then the video that you choose already sent. After you send, you can preview it by play the video. Okay, finish. Sending a voice message. To send a voice message on WhatsApp, you can open the chat with the person or group you want to send the voice message to. After that, you can tap and hold the microphone icon next to the text field and start recording your message. I'm trying to send a voice message here. I will tap and hold the microphone. Hey, where are you now? I'm waiting for you. Please come here quickly. After that, we send the voice message. If you want to preview, just tap play button on the voice message. Hey, where are you now? I'm waiting for you. Please come here quickly. Yes, we already just sent the voice message. We can also sending a location. To send your current location on WhatsApp, you can open the chat with the person or group you want to send your location. After that, you can tap the plus icon next to the text field and select location. Choose whether you want to share your live location or send a static location. For example, if you want to send your current location, just tap on send your current location. And then lastly, you can also sending a document through WhatsApp. To send a document on WhatsApp, open the chat with the person or group you want to send the document to, tap the plus icon next to the text field and select document. Choose the document you want to send. After you choose, for example, I choose this, I tap open, then I just tap the send button. And that's it. You now know how to send messages, photo, video, voice messages, location, and document on WhatsApp for iPhone. Enjoy using the app to stay connected with friends and family. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helpful and see you again on the next video. Bye!